Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to App6 online sport program. First of all, please mark your attendance. Our today's topic is phrases and clauses. Objectives for today's lessons are that students will be able to identify the difference between clauses and phrases and identify the different types of clauses. Success criteria is identify as a phrase or clause and identify the type of clause. First of all, let's see the similarities and differences between them. How they are similar? They both are group of words. There are different words. There are more than words in both of them. And the differences is that a phrase has no finite verb where a clause has a finite verb. Let's see some examples. Just read these two statements. Beside my house, there is a beautiful park beside my house. Now, in first example, there are three words, but there is not any finite verb. Beside my house, the verb is not present here. So, this group of word is the phrase. Beside is giving a signal that this is a prepositional phrase. Now, the second statement, there is a beautiful park beside my house. These are also a group of word and is as a verb there. So, in this statement, we can see a verb here. So, it means that this is a clause. Before proceeding to our topic, let's see some different types of phrases. Students, just read these phrases and identify the type of phrases which we have already done in our previous lessons. I hope students you will be able to identify the types easily. Now the first phrase is the largest river in the world. River is giving us a signal that there is a noun here. So if the head word is a noun, then it means that this is a noun phrase. Similarly, afraid of dark. Afraid of what? Dark is a noun. So this is again a noun phrase. Couldn't win. Win is a verb. So it means that this is an adverbial phrase. Will be writing. Writing is again a verb. So it means that this is an adverbial phrase. Now, very intelligent. Very intelligent. Intelligent is an adjective, so this is an adjectival phrase. Much fast. Fast is again an adjective, so this is an adjectival phrase. On 14th August and beside my house, these both are prepositions which are telling that these are the prepositional phrases. It is time to know about the different types of clauses. Now, clauses are of two types, independent clause and a dependent clause. Now, read these two clauses. I was doing work when my friend came to meet me. The first clause is giving us whole meaning. The whole things are clear. So this is an independent clause. Whereas the second clause is beginning with a conjunction when, a subordinate conjunction. This is giving us a signal that this is a dependent clause. We need the first sentence to understand the whole meaning. Otherwise, this clause is incomplete. So it means that this is dependent on the independent clause. Subordinate conjunction, a white bus. They may be while, when, before, after, because, if, unless. Now, an independent clause can be a sentence. It gives us the whole meaning, the whole sense, whereas a dependent clause cannot be a sentence. We need the independent clause to get the full meanings. I hope students until now you will be able to identify the difference between a phrase and a clause and able to identify the clauses as a dependent and independent. So let's have a quiz. Just pause the video here and take 5 minutes to solve this quiz. See whether of each is a phrase or a clause. I hope students you will be able to get full marks in this quiz. This was quite an easy. In the garden, it is a preposition which is telling that this is a prepositional phrase. While is a conjunction Reading is a verb. So it means because of the verb, this is a clause. This is not a phrase. And because of while, a conjunction, this is a dependent clause. Teaches is a verb. And because of verb, this is a clause. And there is no conjunction here. So this is an independent clause. Number 4, box is a noun. So this means that this is a noun phrase. Tired is an adjective. It is telling us the situation. So this is an adjectival phrase. For a long time is giving us the information about the time. It is giving us answer how. So this is an adverb phrase. Number 7, if a conjunction. Work hard is a verb. So this is a clause. And because of if, because of conjunction, this is a dependent clause. Next, number 8, whenever I work hard, I get full marks. Now see, there are two verbs here, work and get. So it means that there are two clauses there. The first one is whenever a conjunction, subordinate conjunction. So this means that this is a dependent clause. Then the second is an independent clause. I get full marks. It's giving us full meaning. So this is a complete sentence and it is having both clauses. Okay students, here's your homework. I hope you will be able to do it easily and submit it on time. Okay students, this is time to say goodbye. Thank you. I hope you will complete your task and submit in time.